everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. So for that you need to download the Sendit application first. So tap upon Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Sendit. Then tap on search. There's the application on top. Tap that install and wait for the application to be downloaded. Once the application is downloaded, tap on open. Here on the home page, tap on let's go. This will get you logged in into the Snapchat account of yours in your mobile device. You tap on continue over here. Now here you will be connected to the Sendit application, that is your Snapchat account. Tap on continue. As you open the Sendit app, you can see if you have already set up everything such as connecting your account, that is your Snapchat account, you will be directed to this page. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the edit button and you will be able to ask the questions right away. If you want to change the question, you can tap on the dice icon over here. And you can also go ahead and tap on actually select the font and then the design in which this text right here is going to be set to. So you can just tap in over here and it will change or show you the changes that will happen in your question. If you tap that dice again, you will be asking a different question each and every time. You can choose the fonts over here. Here you can also change the background as well. Tap on background and you will have the option to change the background to different one. There you can see the changes in the background. Now once all the changes is done, you can tap on share. Once you tap that, it will be directed to your Snapchat account. Now from here you will be able to access it to the friend or add this to your story. Now you can click a snap. Now you can move or resize this anywhere. Once it's done, you tap on next and you can add this as your story or send it to your friends on Snapchat. So this is how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.